Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Enjoyed weekend. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, so we have we have started with the linear equations, pair of linear equations, and we come to the different types of finding solutions of pair of linear equations. Now, one by one, we have to start. First one is the substitution method. For that, you need the example. By taking the example, I will explain you how to do with the substitution method. Suppose you have an equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. First method, substitution method. For that equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. Okay. Always try to write the two equations parallelly. So that is whatever the simplification you have to do, you can do it side by side. Otherwise, finding first, then in between that you are doing something else with this one, again you are coming back to the first one, again going back to the second one, it will be much more difficult. So always pair of linear equations where whatever the simplification we have to do it, for first equation and second equation we can do it parallelly. So making the two columns, you can solve those equations. Whatever the further simplification has to be done, do it parallelly. So here, what we have to do, the method of substitution. From this equation, first equation, find the value of one of the variable in terms of another variable. That means we have to keep one of the variable on LHS and all other numbers plus second variable take it on other side by method of linear transposition method. So I will keep x this side. So 2x is equal to 9 minus 3y. So here side LHS has a plus 3y. When it transfer to the RHS, it will become minus 3y. Now 2 into x product is there. So x will become 9 minus 3y by 2. Now consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Substitute the value of x in equation 2. So equation 2 is 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. So substitute now in place of x, we have to substitute the value of x which we got from the equation 1. 3 into 9 minus 3y by 2 plus 4y is equal to 5. And now full equation we got in the form of one variable, so start solving it. So 3 we have to multiply inside, 27 minus 9y by 2 plus 4y is equal to 5. Now take LCM, 27 minus 9y. Now here this side is, if we have to multiply with 2, so this will become 8y by 2 is equal to 5. Now get this 2 on RHS. 27 minus y minus 9y plus 8y will become minus y, that is equal to 10. So minus y is equal to 10 minus 27. So this is minus 17 is equal to minus y. Minus sign cancel. So y is equal to 17. So this way we got the value of y at 17. And now again substitute this value of y in the first equation so that we will get the value of x. So x is equal to 9 minus 3y by 2. Substitute the value of y. 9 minus 3 into 17 by 2. This is equal to 9 minus 51 by 2, which is equal to 42. minus 42 by 2, which is equal to minus 21. So value of x, we will get minus 21. Okay. So this is the solution. This is the method of solving, finding the value of x and y for two equations of motion. These values, x is equal to minus 21 and y is equal to 17. When we substitute in these both equations, both the equations get satisfied. That means RHS will become LHS, equal to LHS. Is this clear? Method clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Can you explain again, ma'am? I joined late.
Method of substitution. We have to find out the x and y by substitution method. For that, first step is finding the value of one variable. Choose any of the equation, and from any one of the equation find the value of one variable in terms of other variable by the method of transposition. So whatever we have method we have used for solving linear equation, the same way here also we have to do. So I have selected the first equation. So from that, I calculated the value of x in terms of y. So 2x, this is plus 3y, will transfer to the other side as minus 3y. Then 2 into x, so this 2 has been transferred to the RHS as division. So 9 minus 3y by 2 is the value of x, which we got from the first equation. We have considered this as a first. Now substitute the value of x in the second equation. After substituting, we have to keep simplifying. Now we got the equation in one variable, that is only in terms of y. Now we can solve. We have converted two variable into one variable equation. And then by simplification, we will get the value of y as 17. And this value of y, again in the first equation, we have to substitute to get the value of x. So this is the way we have to solve it. But here, very careful with the sign values. A single sign goes wrong, single addition subtraction goes wrong, the full values goes wrong. You will get very weird answers of x and y. So write down. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone have finished? Then solve the second equation by the same method. Three x minus 5y is equal to -1 and x minus y is equal to -1. You can select any one equation to get the value of for one variable. It's not mandatory that is first equation only we have to choose. You can choose a second equation also. There's no problem.
Ma'am,
Ma'am?
x and y -2 and -1.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, so x is -2 and y is -1, right?
Yes, -2 and -1.
Okay, got it.
Everyone got the answer?
Ma'am, x is -2 and y is -1.
Yes, right. -2 and -1 is the answer. Next question. Everyone got the answer? -2, -1?
Yes, ma'am.
Try this question.
Ma'am, it's +12.
Yeah, +12.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is y -2 and x 3?
-2 and 3 is right.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone got the answer?
Ma'am, y minus 2 and x3.
Yes.
Y minus 2x3.
Yes, right. Okay, so we are not solving much equations from substitution method, but you need to know elimination is our main method. We have to solve all the equations with elimination method. So what is elimination method now? The last question, last equation only I will take, and I will explain you how to solve by elimination method. In this elimination method, what we have to do is coefficient of one of the variable, we have to make it equal first. Any one of the variable, either x or either y, we have to make the coefficients equal. Coefficients, that is x's coefficient here, it is 1, first equation, and the second equation, x's coefficient is 2. So we have to make them equal. Exactly same method as we are doing denominators equal. Here coefficient of one of the variable, any one, either x or either y, coefficient we have to make equal by taking the LCM of both of them. So here LCM of nothing is there, that means 1 and 2. What is the LCM?
2.
It's 2. So that means both the sides we have to make it 2. So what we have to do? Here we have to make 2. So that means the full equation, just like in a fraction. To make the denominator same, we are multiplying with some common number to numerator and denominator. With the same method, here also, that remaining number we have to multiply the full equation. Now we have to make it 2. So we have to make the first equation is multiplied with 2. So this will become full equation, both the sides. It will become 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 2. And second equation already has 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Now we have to add or subtract these two equations so that this value, coefficient of x which we have made equal, will become 0, get cancelled. So for that purpose, what we have to do? Addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. So write the first, both the equation one below the other. It's 12. Now what we have to do so that this value will become 0. So if it is the same sign both of them has, do the subtraction. If they have opposite sign, then do the addition. So that that value will become 0. This minus, due to minus sign, all the second equation signs will change. This is plus 2 will become minus 2. This is plus, minus will become plus, and this is plus will become minus. Now these new signs will be applicable for the second equation, coefficients. Now 2x minus 2x will become 0. That means this get cancelled. 4y plus 3y will become 7y. And this is minus 2 minus 12 will become minus 14. So 7y is equal to minus 14 we got. So y is equal to minus 14 by 7. 7 2s are. So y is equal to minus 2 we will get. And now substituting the value of y in any one of the equation. Any one. Here it is first, second, third. There are 3 equations actually. In any one of the equations, we can substitute the value of y. Substituting value of y in, this is first consider, this is second, first equation. Which is easier, you can substitute in that. So it is x plus 2y is equal to minus 1. So x plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 1. X minus 4 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 plus 4, that is 3. So value of x we will get this way as 3. Is the method clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has a problem, doubt, could not understand? Our main aim is to make the coefficient of one of the variable in two equations equal and then eliminate it. Eliminate, that is make it 0. So how to make it 0? Making equal and subtracting them. So if they both of them has positive same signs, both the equation has that variable has a same sign, then subtract it. If they have opposite sign, then add it. So therefore, if that variable get cancelled, then equation is left with the one variable, and then solve that one variable.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is there like another method? Like for example, we took x plus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2 minus 3y is equal to. So won't that be x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0? 2x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. And can we not equate those two like that?
So if you equate those two, again you will get one more equation in x and y again.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
There it will not get cancelled. No.
Okay, ma'am.
Again, the third equation you will get.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, could you scroll up?
So in this chapter, main thing we'll be learning is this elimination method.
Solutions. So yeah, elimination and solving. There are word problems also based on this.
Word problems.
Yes. Because we are learning the 4 methods of solution, solving elimination method, mostly we are using it. And there are word problems based on this.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Next equation now. We are solving, starting with a 3.3 exercise of RD. So all the questions of 3.3 exercise we have to solve. There are totally, I think so, 52, 53 questions are there. So we have to start with that. So slowly you can complete that full exercise.
Ma'am, 52, 53.
52, 53 questions are there now.
Okay.
Yeah, and there are all the different methods are also there. So we are learning those methods, this different types of methods of reduction. This is not, this is a straightforward questions right now you have learned. Now there are a few different varieties of questions are there. So this is the first type questions. Whatever you have learned right now, that is type 1. There are 4 to 5 types are there in elimination itself. So solve the next question. As the first question of exercise 3.3, RD. First question, 11x plus 15y plus 23 is equal to 0. And the second one is 7x minus 2y minus 20 is equal to 0. Now in this first, the numbers you have to bring on RHS side. 11x plus 5y is equal to minus 23. And 7x minus 2y is equal to 20. And now check which equations 5 and 2 is easier. So y's coefficient we will make it equal. So 5 and 2, yes?
It is 11x plus 15y, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So 15 and 2 is there. So we will make that LCM. We will take it. LCM of 15 and 2 is
30.
30. So to make it 30 this side, with which we have to multiply?
2.
2. On this side, to make it 30, 2,
15.
we have to multiply with 15. So this equation will become 22x plus 30y is equal to minus 46. And this will become 105x minus 30y is equal to 300. So now write one below the other. 22x plus 30y minus 46. You can use any one equation first and second, that is order doesn't work out, means there will not be anything get affected if the order if you change. If you write the second equation first and then first equation, there's no problem, you can do that one also. Now here plus 30 and minus 30 opposite signs are there, so what we have to do, addition or subtraction?
Addition.
Addition. So no sign change. This 30 minus 30 cancel. So 22 plus 105 is 127x is equal to 300 minus 46 is 254. So x is equal to 254 by 127. 127 2s are 254. So x is equal to 2. Now substitute this equation, any one of the value of x in any one of the equation. Anything you can choose. The second, for second equation I will choose 7x minus 2y is equal to 20. 7 into 2 minus 2y is equal to 20. 14 minus 2y is equal to 20. So minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 14, that is plus 6 minus 2y. Y is equal to 6 by minus 2, that is 3 with minus sign. Y is equal to minus 3. Method clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Note down.
Ma'am, can we do this?
Yes. Write it down, this question. You can check with 11 and 7 also. You want 11 and 7 to equate it? Yes, you can do that one also.
Ma'am, y is 3.
Y is 3, yes.
Okay.
X is 2 and Y is minus 3, not plus 3.
Yeah, minus 3. Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we solve the second question of Adi Sharma?
Now solve second question.
Ma'am, x is minus 1 and y is 1.
Okay. Then second term, then do this third one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for this question, the second equation y minus 2x is equal to 3.
You can make it in a proper order.
We can make it as minus 2x plus y.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, third one is x2 and y3.
X2 and Y3, right? Fourth one.
Ma'am, second one, x is 4 and y is 11.
Second one is no. Minus 1 and 1.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for the second one, you written the question wrong on the screen. It's supposed to be 3x minus 7y plus 10 is equal to 0.
What I've written. It's 2y. Somewhere I've written 2y. It's 7y. Y minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then if completed the second one, third one. Done third question. In third question, multiply with 10 first. Then it will be easier. Both the equations multiply with 10.
Ma'am, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3.
Third one. Yes, right. Anyone having problem solving third? Third down. Everyone, have you finished third one?
X is 2 and y is 3, right?
Yes, x is 2 and y is 3.
Ma'am, fourth one, y is 0.6 and x is 0.4.
So, yeah.
Ma'am, I'm not able to get the third one.
What happened? So first multiply with 10 both the sides. It will become 4x plus 3y is equal to 17. And 7x minus 2y is equal to 8. So here multiply with 2. This side multiply with 3. 8x plus 6y is equal to 34. And here 21x minus 6y is equal to 24. Both are opposite signs, so we need to add. This get cancelled. 29x is equal to 8, 558. So x is equal to 2. Substitute this in any one of the equation. 7 into 2 minus 2y is equal to 8. 14 minus 2y is equal to 8. Minus 2y is equal to minus 6. Y is equal to 3. Got it? Where you done mistakes, Neha?
Ma'am, I didn't write it properly.
Now the fourth question. Simplify first equation. X plus 2y by 2 is equal to 0.8. X plus 2y is equal to 1.6. This is first equation. Now this full fraction denominator, transfer it on RHS. 7 is equal to 10 into x plus y by 2. Now here simplify. So multiply 10 inside. So it is 10x plus 10 into y by 2. So this is 5. So 10x plus 5y is equal to 7. So we have to write this as 10x plus 5y is equal to 7. Now check it here, multiply with 10. First equation multiply with 10. 10 and 1 LCM is 10. So it is 10x plus 20y is equal to 16. So 10x plus 20y is equal to 16. 10x plus 5y is equal to 7. Minus, 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 minus. So 10 and minus 10 cancel. 20 minus 5 is 15y. 16 minus 7 is 9. So y is equal to 9 by 15. 3 3s are 3 5s are. So it is y is equal to 3 by 5. If you want to convert it to decimal, it can be easily done. That is equal to 0.6. Substitute the value of y in any one of the equation. 10x plus 5y is equal to 7. So 10x plus 5 into 3 by 5 is equal to 7. 5 cancel. 10x plus 3 is equal to 7. 10x is equal to 7 minus 3, 4. X is equal to 4 by 10. So the value of x is 0.4. If you want, you can keep the answer in fraction also. That's not a problem. 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 or 0.6 and 0.4.
Ma'am, fifth one is y is equal to 1 and x is 5.
Y is equal to 1, x is 5, right? Question number 4, complete first.
Ma'am, then we'll do fifth one.
No, type 2.
Okay.
Variable in the denominator. So that is the question number 8. 4 by x plus 3y is equal to 8. And the second one is 6 by x minus 4y is equal to minus 5. Now here x is in the denominator. So it is not in the form of ax plus by plus is equal to c form. So we have to bring it by substituting some other value. So it is 4 into 1 by x is there. So 4 by x means 4 into 1 by x plus 3y is equal to 8. And this is 6 into 1 by x minus 4y is equal to minus 5. So we have to consider 1 by x as another variable, that is a. So 1 by x is equal to a. So 4 into a plus 3y is equal to 8. And this equation will become 6a minus 4y is equal to minus 5. Now this is in a proper order, proper form. So find the value of a and y. So we have to calculate the value of a as well as y. And then at the end we will substitute a's value in terms of x. Back. So now we have to take the LCM. 4 and 6 LCM is 12. So here we have to multiply with 3 and here we will multiply with 2. So 12a plus 9y is equal to 24 and 12a minus 8y is equal to minus 10. So same sign, so we have to subtract minus plus plus 12a minus 12a cancel. 9 plus 8 17y is equal to 34. 17y is equal to 34. So y is equal to 34 by 7, that is 2. So value of y is 2. Now substitute in one of the equation to get the value of x. So that is 4a plus 3y is equal to 8. 4a plus 3 into 2 is equal to 8. 4a plus 6, that is equal to 8. 4a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. So a is equal to 1 by 2. So we have considered a is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2 you got. So what is the value of x then?
2.
It's 2. Take the reciprocal. So value of x is 2. This is called method of reduction. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
After this, which question we should solve?
Then again with this is with one variable. Now two variables are in the denominator. I need to explain that. There are two variables. Now here in this equation, you got only one variable in the denominator. Now we need two variables in the, we have question number 15 in which both the variables are in the denominator. One by 7x by 1 plus 6y, sorry, is equal to 3. 1 by 2x minus 1 by 3y is equal to 5. Now see very carefully, most of the students do this mistake. Here 1 by 7 into 1 by x is there. 7 is in the denominator. And 1 by 6 into 1 by y is equal to 3. And here also second equation also 1 by 2 into 1 by x minus 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to 5. So we have to consider 1 by x as one variable and 1 by y as another variable. 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So the equation will become 1 by 7a. Here is the student do mistake. So 1 by 7, when you are considering only for 1 by x as a, not for 1 by 7 also. Students write 7a here directly. This is the main mistake that most of the students do. So 1 by 7 will remain as it is. That will, for that purpose, we are not considering any variable. So 1 by 7 will remain 1 by 7 and only 1 by x will become a. Right? Clear? Then 1 by 6b is equal to 3. Here 1 by 2a minus 1 by 3b is equal to 5. And now simplify this in terms of a and b. We have to calculate the value of a and b and we are taking the reciprocal to get the value of x and y. So this will become 6a plus 7b by 42 is equal to 3. So 6a plus 7b is equal to 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12, 126. This side will become 3a minus 2b by 6 is equal to 5. 3a minus 2b is equal to 30. Now these two are the required equations. Now we have to solve these two. So this is 6a and here it is 3a. So we have to multiply this equation with 2. So first equation 6a plus 7b is equal to 126. Second equation will be 6a minus 4b is equal to 60. Subtract now, minus plus minus. This get cancelled. 7 plus 4 is 11b. This is equal to 66. So b is equal to 6. Now substitute b value in second equation. 3a minus 2b is equal to 30. 3a minus 2 into 6 is equal to 30. 3a minus 12 is equal to 30. 3a is equal to 30 plus 12, which is 42. So a is equal to 42 by 3, that is 14. So value of a is 14. Now a is equal to 1 by x is equal to 14. Take the reciprocal to get the value of x. X is equal to 1 by 14. And b is equal to 1 by y is equal to 6. So take the reciprocal. Y is equal to 1 by 6 is the required answer. Is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am, next which question?
Next question, next 16th one you can solve.
Ma'am, which one?
16th. So homework till 23, remaining questions you have to finish.
Ma'am, from 17 to 23?
Earlier also few questions left, no?
Ah, okay, ma'am.
So those questions, first type and second type questions till 23. Okay, then start science.